Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique and I am back today with another highly requested video. This video is on how to troubleshoot the bobbin case. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos uploaded. Supplies: scissor, thread, machine tool, and bobbins. Remove plate screws. Remove the sewing needle. Remove the plate door. Remove the zipper foot. Remove the plate cover. Remove the bobbin. Check for debris, dirt, objects, or thread. Use the side lever to move the bobbin case. Check the bobbin holder for jams. Check inside the bobbin driver for damage or thread. Check both sides of the bobbin case for damage. If you need to order a bobbin case, just order a new replacement, and you can go to Amazon for that. I think it's $25 on Amazon. If the bobbin is not damaged, then you can just put the bobbin case back into the bobbin case holder. Using the dots on the bobbin case, align the bobbin case with the dots on the bobbin driver. After properly checking the bobbin case holder and the bobbin case, you want to go ahead and put the bobbin case holder back in the machine and use the side lever to make sure that the bobbin case is in the bobbin case holder correctly. Sorry for the blurriness, but if you can look up closely, you can see that the bobbin case is kind of moving back and forth. It's not moving properly. The arrow here is showing you that that little piece of plastic is the reason why the bobbin case is not moving properly. I'm going to remove the bobbin case out of the bobbin case holder. I'm going to put it back in. The arrow that's pointing to the metal arm is the direction that the thread needs to go into, behind the metal to the diagram that's on your left. I'll show you how to do that. Follow that metal arm into the diagram on your left. It may take you a couple times to do it, but just make sure that thread is going around that metal arm. Replace the cover door. Install your needle and tighten the screw. And this ends the tutorial on how to troubleshoot the bobbin case and the bobbin case holder. Here is a quick tutorial on how to wind the bobbin. Also check in the top corner, there is a suggested box. That's where you can go to that tutorial for how to wind the bobbin for beginners. The stitch selection I use is the number 6 and the number 13. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.